Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how we can make a simple sweet or kheer recipe using flattened rice. If we keep some boiled milk ready before we start cooking, we can cook this in a maximum of 15 minutes. This is poha kheer or flattened rice kheer. We have to opt for only thick poha for this because the other varieties of medium or thin poha may get mixed up in milk after cooking. Medium or thin poha tend to become very soft once they become moist. That's why I've opted for thick poha. Now transfer half cup thick poha to a bowl. Rinse them thoroughly twice or thrice and keep them aside. We need not do anything with that poha as of now, just keep them aside. Take a vessel, add a tablespoon ghee, add some crushed cashews, crushed almond, whatever you'd like to have. You can add those nuts. After they turn little brown, add some raisins because raisins don't take a long time to puff up. I'm adding nuts earlier. After everything gets fried, take them out. In the same vessel, add 2 cups milk. This is boiled milk. I've kept boiled milk ready as I've said earlier. Now add half cup sugar. Let it dissolve. It doesn't take long time for the sugar to get dissolved. Just 2 to 3 minutes. Now add flattened rice which is kept aside. This has already become little soft because this is moist. Now still let poha boil in this milk for 7 to 8 minutes. Even after boiling for 7 to 8 minutes, it doesn't get mashed up or mixed up in the milk. It remains as it is. You can see that poha grains separately even after boiling. Now add little cardamom powder, say half a spoon of cardamom powder. Let the kheer boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the fried nuts and it is ready to be served. Even after 2 to 3 hours of preparing this kheer, the poha doesn't get dissolved or doesn't get softened and you can find fine poha separately. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this recipe useful. Thanks for watching.